Hello, to reset your phone without screen password, your Samsung Galaxy A06, first you have to turn off your phone, just like this. As the phone is turned off, you have to turn it on using the key combination, which would be the volume up key and power key. You have to press and hold them simultaneously until the screen goes off. As the screen turns on, you have to release these keys. Alright, and just like that, we are in the recovery mode. And so we have to go into the wipe data and factory reset. We have to enable it, we have to go in here, and factory data reset. Just like this. And so now the phone is wiping the data, and everything should have been wiped, everything should be formatted. So now we can reboot the system, and just like that we have turned off our phone, wiped all the data, and basically just resetted the phone without password screen. Thank you for watching.